Good evening and welcome to the nighttime edition of Rozara's Investments. So, about 3 or 4 months ago, I made a video of my favorite Chinese stocks to buy, and in no particular order, they were Baozun, BZUN, YY, which stands for YY.com, and Baidu, which is a search engine similar to Google. So, in the last 3 months, 2 of those 3 stocks have done well, and one of them, Baozun, has done absolutely incredible. I'm up like 100% in Baozun, and it's a very popular stock. A lot of people have been investing in it, and for good reason. So I do encourage you to check out that video if you don't know anything about those 3 stocks, Baozun, YY, and Baidu. So in this video, I'd like to highlight YY, which is the one of those 3 that is down since I made that video. So currently it is like June 11th or something right now, and YY is $113 a share. So some interesting stuff has happened over the last 3 months, and one of the biggest things is that they spun off a whole entire company called HUYA, HUYA, which is now a stock that you can buy, and the symbol is HUYA. HUYA. So this is HUYA is similar to Twitch, which is owned by Amazon. So anyone that's seen the live streaming of people playing games on Twitch or people playing poker on Twitch, that's basically what HUYA is. And YY owns approximately 45% of the shares. It's like 44 point something percent of the shares of this company. So this is super interesting because when YY spun off the shares of HUYA, they sold the shares. It IPO'd around $12. It started trading around $16, and currently the shares are trading for about $36. And this is all over the last couple of months. So this has been incredibly successful. So unfortunately, I didn't buy any shares of HUYA, but I do have a significant amount of YY still, and I'm pretty optimistic, which is why I decided to make this video. So in my opinion, YY should be valued significantly higher. So right now it's about 16 or 17 times earnings, but this is a company that grew revenues and earnings at like 30% per year. I mean, the growth is ridiculous. They added over 1 million new users, 1 million monthly users to their service. And I think they added a few 100,000 actual paying users to their service, people that actually spend money on the site, real money on the site, and actually give the entertainers gifts. So their growth is intact. Their balance sheet is phenomenal. They have over $1 billion of cash. And because HUYA has risen so much in the general stock market, so HUYA is now a $7 billion company on its own. So their 40% stake in HUYA alone is worth like $3 billion. $3 billion. So they have $1 billion in cash. They have 0 debt. They have $3 billion worth of HUYA shares. So that's $4 billion worth of stuff and no debt. Now, YY altogether is only a $7 billion company. So for a $7 billion company to have $4 billion worth of stuff, that is absolutely amazing. So, I mean, I'm buying shares. I actually bought a call spread. I bought 2 call spreads from 90 to 100. I bought another call spread from 90 to 150. I think YY can absolutely hit 150 with a phenomenal balance sheet, phenomenal investments, and they actually have a new investment in a site, BIGO.com. And I checked out the site, and it works really well. It's in 24 countries. It's live streaming. People can talk to entertainers or people just doing nothing in their house. But some people like it. The site seems to work flawlessly. There's no bugs or anything. I tried it out. So anyway, back to YY. YY is a $7 billion company with $4 billion of assets. I mean, that's just incredible. So it's almost like you're getting the company for like $3 billion. And this is a company that makes hundreds of millions of dollars per year. I mean, it's absolutely ridiculous. This company is doing good. So I absolutely think if it's trading for $113 a share, I mean, there's absolutely no reason why this can't be trading for $200 a share. I mean, that would bring it up to about a $13 billion valuation. I mean, that's just, math on the back of a napkin. Not exact numbers, but you get the idea. I mean, it could absolutely almost double from here and have almost a 30 price to earnings ratio because of the growth, because of the phenomenal balance sheet. I mean, it's similar to Facebook. I mean, Facebook has a phenomenal balance sheet. They have good growth, they're growing revenue, they're growing earnings, and they just have zero debt. They have loads of cash. I mean, YY is in the same position. To be worth $7 billion for just doing every single thing right. The CEO is actually investing his own personal money in BIGO as well. So, I mean, he's not just investing the company money. So, he definitely thinks there's something to it. So I definitely think at $113 a share, the all-time low was $90 or $95 a share a few months ago. Excuse me. So 113 is not that far above the recent low. The recent high was in the 140s, but I absolutely think this is a company that can go to $200 a share in the near future. Again, I have my money where my mouth is. As always, I'm not trying to make money from these videos. I do make money from investing in stocks and options, which are slightly more complicated, but this is my opinion, and I'm putting my money where my mouth is. So, YY.com. Very good. Just like any other YouTube subscriber, it helps me if you like the video, if you do like it. And if you subscribe or share the video with your friends or whatever you want to do. But overall, I just hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned something and maybe get an idea. If you agree or you are intrigued in YY or any other company you think I might want to know about, then please leave me a comment on the bottom of the video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.